In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok. Imagine not working. If the Imagine tool isn't loading, keep spinning, or you're seeing a generic error. Don't worry. We'll walk through a simple sequence that usually gets things back on track, and I'll explain what each step does so you know why it helps. First, open your Grok account. Go to the official Grok site or app and sign in so you're on your dashboard. Then navigate to the Imagine feature. Being signed in matters because some glitches happen when your session has expired or you've been idle for a while. Once you're in, give the page a moment to finish loading and watch for any on-screen notices that might explain a temporary delay. Next, make sure your internet is strong. Grok. Imagine relies on a steady connection, so brief drops in connectivity can interrupt the request. Check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data shows a solid signal, and if you can, stay close to your router or use a reliable network you trust. If other apps are downloading large files, pause them for a minute so Grok gets enough bandwidth. A quick way to gauge stability is to open another website or two. If those pages hesitate or time out, that points to the connection rather than Grok. Now, click the refresh button to reload the Grok page. Use your browser's reload icon at the top or the standard refresh shortcut on your device. This forces the page to re-request everything from the server and can clear temporary hiccups like a partial load or an outdated script. After the reload, wait a few seconds and try the Imagine action again to see if it completes. If that doesn't do it, close the website and try to log in again. Fully exit the tab or window, then reopen your browser and go back to Grok. Sign into your account for a fresh session, return to the Imagine feature, and repeat your request. This effectively resets your session, which helps if the previous one had expired behind the scenes or got stuck after a network blip. That's it. By opening your account, confirming a strong connection, refreshing the page, and then closing and logging in again if needed, you address the most common causes of Grok Imagine not working. Take your time with each step and you should be up and running shortly.